Soon after Bill Chant about Zion roots. Don't know.
Early breeze touch me face, soft like ancient drum echo. My spirit rise with the morning hue, searching the path of calm. Silence whisper wisdom from far, leading me steps slow and sure. Me walk through fields where memory grow, old tales stitched in the soil. Hills hold stories of brave hearts still humming through the air. Me breathe deep and feel stronger, grounding me like sacred earth. Every corner show me reason to stay humble and hold balance. Voices of elders right on the wind, guiding me every choice. Them remind me to stand tall even when the ground shake. Enough roads twist and turn, but focus keep the soul steady. From shadow to brightness, keep me in a compass clear. Roots of the horizon calling me name, gentle and wide. Show me the pathway, carry peace, stretching beyond the tide. Roots of the horizon lift me mind to steady place, where hope grows strong and calm embrace the space. Me sit for a moment, watch clouds drift slow and quiet. Each one shape a future, me can walk to walk with courage. Life tests every heart, but clarity come to the honest. Me follow the breeze that whisper new lessons each day. Nightfall bring cool calm, the stars sketch ancient symbols. Me listen well, learning rhythm of the unseen world. Truth travel through silence, shaping me into better form. Me rise tomorrow with stronger will and brighter aim. Hold firm, keep balance, trust the deeper flow. Every step aligned with purpose, every moment show growth. Me vision shine clean, untouched by loud illusions. Roots of the horizon calling me name, gentle and white. Show me the pathway, carry peace, stretching beyond the tide. Roots of the horizon lift me mind to steady place, where hope grows strong and calm embrace the space. And so me wonder steady, knowing harmony never fade. The horizon guide me onward, giving strength for every day.
Get the drum from long above. Ancient flow, voices rise from dust and bone. Not alone, me feel them there, me feel them strong. Ancient song, before the chains, before the pain. we reign. Ancient wisdom in our blood, deep flood. We chant the words them passed down. Sacred sound, every syllable a key, set free. Me see the ancestors stand tall, hear them call. Them say walk straight, fear none. Rise son, me heart beat in the same time. Prime, whole fire burning on my chest, never rest. Chant of the ancients rise, open eyes. Chant of the ancients strong, carry on. Chant of the ancients rise, open eyes. Chant of the ancients strong, carry on. Me drum echo through the night, pure light. Spirit dance round the flame, call me name. The field power in the air, everywhere. Ancient vibes guide me way, night and day. Me and a past, present to future do. Me walk the path them clear before open door. No fear when truth is near, crystal clear. Ancient chant still alive, we survive. From first breath to final cry, spirit fly. Ancestors walk beside me still by will. Shine for the ancients. Chant of the ancients rise, open eyes. Chant of the ancients strong, carry on. So when the night feel long and cold, hear the old ancient chant still guide the way. Open eyes, chant of the ancients strong, carry on. Chant of the ancients rise, open eyes. Chant of the ancients strong, carry on. Na na na. Kaya and sweet ka by my side, yeah man. Na 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 na. Kaya na 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 na. Kaya na 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 na. Me sit beside the river bank, give Jah thanks, me soul give thanks. Water whisper holy song, peace and healing all around. Me see the stream move slow and wise. Me read the truth inside me eyes. Every ripple, every flow, carry message Jah bestow. Me drop me fears, me wash me pain. Jah river cleanse again. From the mountain top it fall, blessing flow for one and all. Me chant for life, me chant for peace. Righteousness never cease. The river teach me how to be calm and full of melody. It show me how the time will heal and how the truth reveal. Yeah, river of Jah flow strong, wash away the wrong now. One love, one song, one way, guide me night and day. Flow through the people, flow through the land. Jah water bless every hand. Me see the children play and sing. Jah creation everything. Me feel the breeze, me feel the grace. Peace and joy in every place. Me know the river never ends. It flow round every bend. Elders smile and youth rejoice. Nature sing in one voice. No Jah fulfilling need. Every soul become the tide, flow together side by side. Me flow with Jah, me never tire. His word me heart's desire. No drought can stop the stream. Love forever dream. Yeah, river of Jah flow strong, wash away the wrong. One love, one song, one way, guide me night and day. Flow through the people, flow through the land. Jah water bless every hand. So when the days feel dry and long, remember the river song. It flow within, it flow without. Jah love remove all doubt. Da 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 da.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion in the jungle, yeah man. From Zion hills a chant to rise, holy sound reach to the skies. Song of mercy, song of peace, song of Jah bring sweet release. It heal the broken, lift the low. Song of Zion never flow. Every note a prayer divine. Song of Jah forever shine. Song of Zion strong and true. Sing for I and sing for you. Every rhythm, every drum, call the kingdom yet to come. The drum beat roll, the trumpet sound. Song of Zion shake the ground. It echo wide, it echo deep. Song of Jah no man can keep. Forever flowing, never end. Song of Zion feel we friend. It guide the nation, guide the youth. Song of Jah eternal truth. Me lift me voice, me heart rejoice. Song of Zion holy choice. It chase the fear, it chase the night. Song of Jah eternal light. No chain can bind, no wall can hold. Song of Zion more than gold. Forever chanting, strong and free. Song of Jah for you and me. It rise at dawn, it blaze at noon. Song of Zion never soon. It heal the sick, it bless the meek. Song of truth all people seek. Forever shining, never dim. Song of Jah eternal hymn. No end in sight, no fading sound. Song of Zion always found. Trumpet call again. Song of Zion still remain. It rise eternal, never cease. Song of Jah eternal peace. From heaven high to earth below. Song of Zion always flow. Holy chant and holy fire. Song of Jah lift higher. Sing loud, sing clear. Song of Zion always near. No hate, no chain can silence sound. Song of Jah forever found. Song of Zion strong and true. Sing for I and sing for you. Every rhythm, every drum, call the kingdom yet to come. From first voice to endless day, Song of Zion always stay. Kaya Kush, yeah man. When the morning first appear, throne of dawn is drawing near. Every ray a golden fire, throne uplift the spirit higher. Babylon kingdom fade away, throne of dawn declare the day. Every color pure and bright, throne of dawn reveal the light. Prophet chant with voice so strong, throne of dawn correct the wrong. Every judgment bold and true, throne of dawn for me and you. Night is gone, no more disguise, throne of dawn before our eyes. Every step a sacred flame, throne exalt Jah holy name. People gather on the plain, throne of dawn break every chain. Songs of freedom fill the air, throne of dawn is standing there. No more silence, no more war, throne of dawn, open door. Every nation side by side, throne of dawn remove the pride. Fisher cast upon the sea, throne of dawn bring destiny. Farmer till the blessed ground, throne of dawn spread peace around. Teacher speak with wisdom true, throne of dawn shine ever new. Babylon throne collapse and fall, throne of dawn outshine them all. Warrior kneel the weapon down, throne of dawn bring healing crown. Every scar and every tear, throne of dawn remove the fear. Children laugh and elders sing, throne of dawn crown Jah king. Glorious fire, bold and free, throne of dawn eternity. Everlasting morning flame, throne of dawn remain the same. Never fading, never gone, throne of dawn keep burning on. Every sunrise sing again, throne of dawn remove the pain. Sacred kingdom strong and true, throne of dawn for me and you. Rise, rise, shining flame, throne of dawn exalt your name. Glow, glow, morning bright, throne of dawn keep holy light. Sing, sing, bold and long, throne of dawn the righteous song. Throne of dawn, pure and strong, guide the people all along. Never silent, never still, throne of dawn reveal Jah will. Forever glowing, bold and free, throne of dawn eternity. Crown the morning, lift the day, throne of dawn light the way. Sunrise glow, fire in me chest start flow. No chain can bind me so like control. Me walk the street with purpose, gear, no fear. System try blind me mind, but me stay kind. Every scare tell story deep. Truth me keep from ghetto road to mountain high. He never lie. Babylon chat low, but empty me see plenty. Them sell dream made of dust, but me trust. Me fire burn slow and strong, long, long. From ancestor blood me rise overnight. Fire inna the heart never go. spark light in dark. Early morning breeze by me skin, sunrise slow, me spirit grin. Hear the drum from far away, calling me soul to start the day. Me feel the fire deep inside, burning truth me can't hide. Them try cool down me fame so long, tell me quiet, tell me wrong. But me born with fire in a chest, burning truth, never rest. Me voice come rough, me voice come real, straight from wound that never heal. Every scam me carry proud, fire talk with words too low. Me walk through smoke and broken dreams, still me see beyond these schemes. Babylon sell illusion bright, but me I see through the night. Me no fear fire, me become flame, turn me pain into a nail. Every step I burning sign, me destiny, me design. Fire in a me soul, blaze up high, can't cool me down no matter why. Fire in a me soul, pure and true, burn away the lies, let truth come true. Me chant for the youth in the street, barefoot hard but reading sweet. When the system shut them on, fire teach them what life called. Me see hope in every spot, light the way through every dark. From the ashes we arise, with lion heart and open eyes. No water can drown this flame, no chain can make it tame. Me fire burn from being on prayer, from everywhere and everywhere. When you see me ancestors smile, fire carry me mile by mile. Burn bright, burn Jah cross the ground wide and golden. Me heart settle into quiet rhythm of renewal. The neighborhood slowly wake, voices blend soft. Everyday people bring the energy that shape the moment. Me listen, me feel the connection waving between us. Unity beneath every word spoken true. Me walk among familiar faces, each holding unique story. We share not smile, small joke that warm the vibe. Life's sweeter when we move as one, even in simple ways. Strength multiplied when kindness lead the flow. Echo of unity spread through the town. Lift every spirit, never let them down. Echo of unity ring clear and bright. Turn heavy burdens into shining light. Music from a small corner box start the wave. People tap feet, sway gentle, feel the spark. Me join the motion, letting tension fall away. Vibe grow larger, linking heart to heart. Street transform into meeting ground of joy. Voices blend, laughter rise, stress dissolve. Me treasure moments like this, built from simple love. Unity proof, stronger than any wall or doubt. Stand close, share vibe, keep connection alive. Let positive energy lead the collective strive. Echo of unity spread through the town. Lift every spirit, never let them down. Echo of unity ring clear and bright. Turn heavy burdens into shining light. As evening fall, the echo still linger deep. Unity remain the song we carry into tomorrow.
Na 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 ganja na reggae, yeah, man.
Oh yeah. Me rise with the morning breeze, cool wine through the trees. Me heart clean, me spirit high, light of the sun paint up the sky. Jah voice echo through my chest, guide my soul to do the best. Them build walls and claim the crown, but righteousness can't drown. Me walk barefoot on holy ground, hear the ancient sound. Each drum beat tell me tale, true struggle me prevail. Light from Zion, strong and wide, keep the darkness from inside. Missy mothers cry for bread, children sleep without no bed. Still the roots remain unshaken, spirit never forsaken. No matter the trial me face, me move in Jah grace. Every storm bring clearer view, love still shine through. Wow, yeah. Me sing for the sister who cry. Every melody heal the land by Jah. The roots still strong beneath the sun. Righteous stand. Me no seek vanity or fame. Me chant Jah name. True thunder, true storm. Me keep heart warm. When Babylon crumble down, Jah wear the crown. Roots of the sun still blaze, forever in praise. Me no fear the fire, me no fear the night. Me walk in Jah light. Every shadow fade away when love all sway. Truth is a river, pure and free. Flow through you, flow through me. Roots of the sun grow deep in a we. Light for the blind, truth for the free. Roots of the sun never fade away. Bless up the night, bring the day. I make roots of the sun burn bright and clear. Jah love always near. Roots of the sun forever strong, keep the world in a song. So when darkness cloud your view, remember Jah light in you. Roots of the sun never die, it live and amplify. Ay, ay, ay. 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 The river wake before the sun, rolling deep with ancient grace. Water sparkle like living gems, dancing soft in sacred space. Me sit on the riverbank warm, feeling time just drift away. Nature hold me gently close, bringing balance to me day. The Riverstone cool and smooth, shaped by journeys long and wide. Every corner mark a tale, carried through the timeless tide. Me dip me hand in the waves, sense the rhythm of the stream. Life remind me what it teach, nothing constant as it seem. Me watch the water curl and spin, carving stories through the sand. Every ripple speak of hope, traveling across the land. A harmony of crash and calm, blending strong with peaceful flow, showing how true strength can be soft, just like river currents go. Riverstone echo flow, guide the heart and help it grow. Carry burdens down the line, wash them clean in humble shine. Riverstone echo deep, secrets that the water keep. Hear the message as it glide, wisdom moving with the tide. The river play a gentle song, tapping beats on roots and logs, calling creatures small and large, turtles, fishes, birds and frogs. Me feel connected to it all, like the river speak me name, telling me to trust the path, even when life twists the game. Further down the water widen, greeting banks with mighty sweep, reflecting light from skies above, resting moments calm and deep. The river teach me patience slow, show me how to bend not break. Every flow a sacred move, every shift a chance to wake. Let the water guide your mind, leave the heavy things behind. Let the current free your soul, help you find your highest role. River wisdom never lie, truth reflected in the sky. Riverstone echo flow, guide the heart and help it grow. Carry burdens down the line, wash them clean in humble shine. Riverstone you. Walk to where the river run. Let the flow restore your peace. Shining bright like morning sun. Riverstone echo call. Follow gently where it laid. In the water's endless voice, you find everything you need. Na na na. Stone beneath me naked feet. Earth beats. Roots grow deep where truth remain. No chill. Me feel the ancestors close. Spirit flows. Me build me life on solid ground. No shaky sound. Every trial make me wise. Open eyes. Me learn patience from the tree. Standing free. Storm come but roots hold tight. Day and night. Me see the world chase empty shine. But me find true wealth live inside soul. Make me bold. Roots teach me how to wait, not hate. Time reveal the righteous way. Every day. Roots and stone, hold me strong. All life long. Roots and stone, guide me home. Never roam. Me hear the earth speak, soft and slow. Truth flow. Every leaf got story deep. Secrets keep. Me walk barefoot on the land. Understand. Roots connect me to the past. Everlast. Me teach the youth respect me side, not just style. From small seed come mighty tree. Wait and see. No rush, no greed, no fight. Live right. Root and stone protect me soul. Make me whole. When world shake and systems fall, roots stand tall. No storm can shake. What's real? Truth reveal. Roots and stone hold me strong. All life long. Roots and stone guide me home. Never roam. Roots and stone hold me strong. All life long. Roots and stone guide me home. Never roam. So me walk slow. I got me wine. Roots inside. Stone and soil, flesh and bone. Never alone. Inna the quiet early dawn, the mountain breeze a hum soft tune. Clouds drift slow like ancient tales. guiding the soul to rise soon. Me close my eyes, me feel the peace, the heartbeat blend with morning air. A meditation through nature's voice, healing the mind from every care. Stone pathways echo memories, old footsteps mixed with timeless sound. Songs from elders whisper low, carried by the earth around. Me walk along the winding trail, spirit come like river flow. Every leaf a sacred sign, teaching truth we need to know. The hillside glow with golden shine, sunlight paint a mystic view. Cedar center kiss my face, turning thought for something new. Me feel the universe align, every breath a cosmic link to the presence of the land. Me find more clarity to think, whisper of the hills guide me way, show me strength through night and day. Carry me when times get rough, hold me out when life feels tough. Whisper of the hills keep me strong, teach me where me soul belong. Nature song I lift me high, bless me path beneath the sky. Me hear the wind craft melodies sweet, storytelling in its stone. Voices ancient rise again, proving we never walk alone. The horizon stretch out wide, full of promise, full of grace. Every moment build me up, steady in me inner place. Down below the valley bloom, colored waves of living art. Birds move soft like floating dreams, soothing even troubled heart. The world may shift but here me find stillness woven deep and true. A sanctuary untouched by noise, where my spirit start anew. Hold the breath, feel the breeze, calm the mind, find the ease. Let the mountain guard your light, keep your vision shining bright. Every echo, every tone, strengthen you from flesh to bone. Whisper of the hills guide me way, show me strength through night and day. Carry me when times get rough, hold me out when life feels tough. Whisper of the hills keep me strong, teach me where me soul belong. Nature song I lift me high, bless me path beneath the sky. So when the world feel heavy still, remember the hillside call. Let the calmness wrap your soul, lifting burdens big and small. In the silence of the land, you find the truth you seek inside.